Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DropBox files and cloud storage. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about DropBox. In this page of app and boy we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.